Will Apple be the apple of your eye this week? Stay tuned. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. The speaker's opinions should not be considered as advice from a licensed professional. Viewers should not use this content as a specific inducement to make investments or follow strategies, but rather as an expression of opinion. Follow the rest of the disclaimer, but please do your own research. What up, Tycoons? Welcome to Tycoon Network, where we specialize in trading stock options and providing education on stock market investing to help others achieve financial success. Now, I want to show you Apple. Right now, we're going to show you the key levels for Apple. So the key level right here for support is 168.54, okay? Key level of support, 168.54. Below that, you can drop to 161.05, all right? Keeping it simple. Below 168.54, you can drop to 161.05. Holding support at 168.54, you can bounce to 176.02, okay? Those are my levels, and then you see the levels above that, 183.50, then 190.98, then 198.47, okay? But on another note, we're also gonna, by the way, bullish divergence right there, but we're also gonna show you another bullish analysis, okay? So let me zoom out. Okay, so this is a Wyckoff accumulation setup, okay? So in my opinion, this will be a Wyckoff accumulation schematic number one setup, okay? Where we have a spring down here and then we go up into phase D, all right? So we got the preliminary sell-off, then the selling climax, then the automatic rally, then the secondary test right there. Boom, rally came back, made another secondary test. Chop, chop, chop. Then we had a spring below all of those swing lows, and then we just rode from there, all right? And in my opinion, I combined Elliott waves with this. So the spring happens in phase C. So we had a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to have that sign of strength in phase D. Then we dropped down into the bullish upthrust or last point of support, which in my opinion looks like a leading diagonal, okay? So in my opinion, we probably hit an A, B, C down here, which would still be the Wyckoff phase D, all right? So an A, B, C, which is in Wyckoff phase D, going into phase E, which would be straight up, okay? So that would be the bullish standpoint, macro. So we just finished phase C and have a bullish divergence down here on the stochastics, showing us that we're holding support at the 400 SMA, leading us to believe that we can go bullish to 198.51, and then possibly our first price target at 219.30, okay? That is what I'm looking at. So if we hold support at that 400 SMA, which is at 168, around the same price target I gave you for our key level, we hold 168, we can basically push to 219 and then 240, okay? So if we hold 168, it's safe to say you can probably get, calls for a year out or, 6 months out. However you want to go, I personally would go as far out as you can and as close to the money as you can. So if you can go, grab like 170 calls for like a year out, I do that. Just a suggestion, not financial advice, but also looking at the bear side of things, because things don't always go up, they go down as well. Okay, so the bear side of things, we have a possible double top or double bottom. Depends on if support is held. Once again, this time we have support at 165, okay? So let's look at the weekly just to kind of get a clearer picture. Okay, so you see, boom, boom, we have a clear, what looks like a double top. Could also be a W pattern or a double bottom forming, as I mentioned down here. So we want to pay close attention to that if support is held at 165. Support is held at 165, then we go up. You see all the price targets right here, 181.57, then 198.13 for the actual breakout to 218.53 which is, around the same price target. Multiple ways we're getting the same targets. If we drop below 165, we can drop to 155 starting off, okay? All right, now it's not just that. We're going to go one more time on our bearish analysis where if we look on the weekly chart, we see we possibly have that A, B, C correction that ended at the start of 2023. And then we had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave, bullish wave, all right, which once again, possible ending diagonal or leading diagonal right there. So we had that as wave 4 and then wave 5. And then we drop down into wave 1 at the beginning of the year, okay? Beginning of the year, we dropped down into wave A. I'm sorry, not wave 1. Down into wave A, which if you look on the daily, I have it separated into 5 waves. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A. All right. Now, what we should have happen is a pop up to 187.63. Okay, we should pop up to 187.63. And if we get rejected around that area, then we know we're not on any of the bullish, scenarios. We're on this bearish scenario. So if we hold support and we jump and we get to 187, but we don't get above 187.63, we could drop down to 156.24 or as low as 148.83. All right. Once we get to 156.24 or 148.83 area, this is where I would be looking for calls because, in my opinion, we were looking for a correction to happen in the market. That would be the correction we're looking for, and that area is where I would go long, because I think that's where we would start pumping on Apple. So, in my opinion, if we hit this scenario where we go up to 187.63 area and then drop, that's where I would be looking to end wave C. So end of wave B would be around 187.63. End of wave C would be around 156.24 or 148.43, which is where I would be looking for calls once again. All right. And that's my opinion. Happy trading. Make sure you join our free newsletter, The Tycoon Blueprint. Invest smarter, grow faster. All you have to do is click the link below and provide your email to subscribe. Don't forget to join our exclusive trading and investing community where we provide a blend of technical analysis and cutting edge AI technology like AI powered stock predictive flow channels. We have the crypto alerts for breakouts. We have the stock option call outs by AI. They even give you the strike price and the expiration, along with several other features. We also have the trade suggestions from ourselves, the stock suggestions, leap suggestions, call outs from ourselves, economic data updates, and much more. Make sure you click the link below to join. Here's some of the profits from our trading group. We have from 20% all the way up to 4,000%. Now that's an anomaly, but we also have a couple 100% right here, 500, 160 right here. We also have 50%. So we look forward to seeing you in our trading group so you can get some profit as well. Also, whether you're an expert trader in need of a little help, or if you're a novice and you've never traded before, you want to get our accelerated trading course just for $19.97. We have 3 sections in there: foundation, framework, and finishes. Also having a bonus section with a lot of material that can help you with the investment journey, and it comes with a few ebooks. So this keeps it really simple, hones in on how you can make money now and in the future in the market. So this is really essential if you want to learn and grow. So accelerated trading course, only $19.97. You want to grab that. Lastly, if you or someone you know is interested in futures trading, click that link below for Apex Trader Funding and the promo code. Input that promo code for 80% off. Now, if you don't have a ton of money, you can get access to between $25,000 and $300,000 per account. All you have to do is pay a small monthly fee, but with the promo code, you'll get 80% off. If you get 20 accounts for $300,000, that's $6 million in trader funding. And all you have to do is pay $2,000 a month. So you get access to $25,000 for your first withdrawal. And after that, you'll get 90% of the profits that you make. So once again, click that link below, put the promo code in, start trading now.